Today I have got the Aurora Queen Glitter Collection blooming, and I cannot wait to see what these swatches are going to look like. I have become obsessed with Aurora Queen glitters. It's a beautiful Korean gel. This box is gorgeous. And here's a sneak peek for you of what's to come. I don't keep my packaging, but it still comes very lovely nonetheless. And of course, you're getting your acrylic stand with your little swatch rocks, so that if you have a salon setup, you can set these up on your table to show your clients your beautiful new colors. So we've got an 8-piece set here, and these 137, it looks like, if they're in the right spots anyway, to 144. So I'm excited to pull these out. Got my swatch sticks here, and let's see what these babies look like. Now, the Aurora Queen glitters are a 9ml bottle, which is a half decent size for a Korean gel. They are a glitter packed, I tell you. And typically I've found them to be iridescent for the most part. And as always on my swatch sticks, well, with these glitters I do 2 coats, but the second coat only on the tip, just so I can see what the extra layer is going to give me. Beautiful. And with the color shift under black. So these are primarily a fine iridescent glitter with a little bit of smaller hexes, and then the very occasional larger hex. And here it is, all top coated with both matte and glossy. This 8-piece collection is incredible. It is very iridescent and understated, something I would see working really, really beautifully layered on a nail, using it underneath or as a topper. The colors are just beautiful. And that iridescent shine, look at that. Look at it pick up. It's so beautiful. This might be one of my new favorites. I'm really enjoying these Aurora Queen glitters a lot more than I thought I would. Hope you all enjoyed watching that swatch. As always, until next time, don't forget to love your nails. Bye.